Welcome to the Game Art Bachelor of Science degree, or simply GABS. I'm Chad Kendall, the Program Director of the Game Art program. The first half of your degree program takes place in the Central track. This portion of your degree program will focus on the basic fundamentals of 3D art, including traditional art, 3D modeling, and animation. It is also when you will be introduced to the portfolio courses, where you focus on showcasing your modeling and animation skills through project-based learning. The second half of the degree program progresses to the specialized track, where you will gain advanced game art skills and explore the intricate process of creating game-ready assets. The courses in the specialized track will guide you through production workflows, material and texture creation, character animation, environment assembly, props, and lighting that fit within the specific requirements of game engines. You will also continue your series of portfolio courses and evolve your online portfolio. By the end of the program, you will have a comprehensive body of work that demonstrates your technical prowess and qualifications to work in 3D development industries spanning gaming, architectural visualization, simulation, advertising, film, and more. Just like a video game, the Game Art program is built around the concept of leveling up. Each course is designed to build upon one another towards a single discipline, while learning about multiple aspects of 3D creation techniques. To stay current with the constantly evolving industry, you will utilize industry-standard software for modeling, animation, lighting, and assembly. All of this software is included with your Project Launchbox, your Full Sail tech package. In addition, you will have access to a wide range of resources and tutorials through the Full Sail library, lynda.com, and more. Remember, we are here to support you throughout your journey to becoming a game artist. On behalf of the entire Game Art team, we look forward to supporting your dream and helping you achieve success. I wish you professional growth and enlightenment, and I look forward to seeing your work.